Splendor Project. Tribute ko to sa mga namatay ng AIDS-related deaths. Ayun, tumahimik kayo, di ba? Okay. Recently, I've heard a lot of stories from the community, AIDS-related deaths. People don't usually talk about this. It's a silent war that we're facing. Pag minamatay, ano sabihin ng pamilya? They usually say the common script. They say meningitis, they say TB, they say pneumonia. But in our community, parang, okay, it's really sad. Next. So I felt that I felt uncertainty, I felt fear, I felt sorrow, guilt, because what? Wala akong nagawa for my friend who died. Okay, sorry to say, but yes, I've had friends who died of AIDS-related deaths, undisclosed and disclosed. Naintindihan niyo ba yung undisclosed at undisclosed? Yung explain ko. Lasing ako. Okay. Anyway, so I felt the need to do something about it now. Okay? Medyo sad itong yung bisa ko, pero I want everyone to feel empowered about this. And I want everyone to do something about this after this talk, okay? Kung hindi, fuck you all. Natutunan ko yan kay Robbie Carmona, fuck you all. So I really ran to my friend from the UN. Sabi ko, kailangan powerful yung alay ko dito, taga-UN. Sabi ko, Miss Ed, anong gagawin natin dito? At ano yung panepito ka dyan sa necklace mo? Sabi niya, this is our disaster preparedness campaign. And then, so I thought, this is not too different from the Red Whistle. Hi, Tita, you're there. The Red Whistle is not too different from a disaster preparedness campaign, except the fact that we are facing the disaster now. Okay? So sabi ko, first, it caught my attention. Okay? Sabi ko parang, I got curious about it. Second, imagery-wise, it calls out for attention. Tapos nakagawa na ako ng tagline, blow me. Di ba? Parang, hey, why, you wanna blow me? Let's blow each other. Anyway, the Red Whistle, like what I said, is not too different from any disaster preparedness campaign. Ito po yung statistics, okay? Hindi ko na-explain kasi masyadong technical yan eh. So what I did was I ran into the bookstore, National Bookstore, hindi ko ako sponsor na. I started to buy Red Whistles. Pinamigay ko po sa aking mga kaibigan, okay? Naniniwala ako na sa kahit anong kampanya, magsimula muna kayo sa kaibigan nyo. Pag nauto nyo yung barkada nyo, go, let's do this! Pag naniniwala yung barkada mo, mag-isip-isip ka, let's sabihin, hindi effective yun, no? Bullshit. So, ayan, lumabas ako with my friends, we went to bars, clubs, restaurants. That's my friends. Ando si Odik, tsaka si JV coming with me. Si Shamsi, best friend ko, charot. Best friend ko din, si Papa Bill. Tsaka si Mario Morer. So, kahit lang naman. Anyway, yun yung naging cue for people to ask us, bakit kami yung whistle? So yun yung cue namin. There are 6 new HIV cases reported every day. Mukha naman kaming baliw kung sabihin, "Hoy, did you know that there are 6 new HIV cases?" Diba? So the Red Whistle supports it. Anong word doon? It's supplied as a cue. Okay? So yun yung cue namin for our spiel. Merong 6 new HIV reported cases every day. At lumapit ako sa Star World. Sabi ko, Star World, I'll put all your logos in all our fucking whistles. And they said, go! Let's do this! So Star World gave us 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 6,000 whistles. Unfortunately, hindi umabot for tonight. Sorry. Andun pa sa printing, tagal nila eh. Anyway, ito may script ko. Okay. So, ayun na nga, yung dumami na nga yung whistles. Star World. Kung meron pang kumpanya dito, gusto mag... on behalf of our English-speaking person here, if there are companies who want to sponsor our Red Whistles, I'll put your fucking logo there. We give it out for free, for free. Okay, so this is my 10th slide. May nagtanong sa akin, 1 minute. Kasi ako, ikinom niyo ako. Sabi sa akin, bakit kailangan pang bumili ng whistles, di na lang bili ng gamot? Guys, yung gamot po ay funded ng Global Fund, hindi ng gobyerno. At ang gobyerno natin walang Sorry, may taga-gobyerno ba dito? May taas ng kamay. Wala pong ginagawa ang gobyerno tungkol sa ating problema regarding HIV/AIDS. In fact, nag-steadily rising ang epidemic, wala pong increase sa budget. Okay, Business Secretary Ona, ang sabi niya, walang HIV problem ang Pilipinas. Nakita niyo yun, yung nakapula, ako yun. Sabi ko, magsasawata kami ng HIV costume. Gawa ni Leroy New, isang Pilipino na designer na gumawa ng outfit ni Lady Gaga. At ayun po, inexan ko, yan si Secretary Ona. Okay, Debma na. Okay, so these are other organizations that we need to support in terms of HIV and AIDS. Lahat yan, may digital platform. Now, ito yung plano. I-recruit kita, kayong dalawa, mag-recruit pa kayong dalawa. Okay? So what we're gonna do, educate pa kayo, and all of us here can be a big group number of peer educators specializing in HIV and AIDS. Gets ba yun? Now, I want to empower everyone, just like what I said. Saan na ba ako? Let us empower ourselves. Wala pong cure. There's no cure for HIV and AIDS. But I believe that you and I can be the cure. Iniwala ba kayo doon? So, ito ang project ko, Headshot Clinic. It's a digital platform. You can visit headshotclinic.com and find out how you can be the cure. Time na ba? Ito last na to. Masaya na kaya. 6 new HIV cases a day is no more. It's yesterday. There are now 8 new HIV cases a day in the Philippines. Now, kung wala kayong ginagawa, fuck you all. Thank you.